Assalamu alaikum. Hakim has a very interesting tajweed question. Let's hear him out.
تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو على كل شيء قدير. Or is it تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو على كل شيء قدير. So the question is, ra, when are we supposed to vibrate it or do the r sound? The answer is when it's silent. So what he tried to do in the first attempt, he said tabarakalladhi. No, we don't do that. We only do that when the ra is silent. A silent ra is a ra that comes at the end of the ayah or has a sukoon or has a shadda. For example, Bismillahir Rahma. So look at the first ra, hir, we vibrating it. The second one, Rahma. So only ra when it's silent. Guys, tag a friend and share this with someone.